forces of the dark with your magic spark and always standing tall. You're starting down a path to find your destiny. So now is not the time to hide. You have to raise your wand and do your best for me. Because I need you by my side. There's a lesson you will not find in a book. Inside yourself is where you have to look. Find your courage and your pride. Inner strength can be your guide, and it will always see you through. If you believe the magic within you.
What a nice day at the park. Oh wow, Cammy, got a nice song. Too bad it's being looped by Kai over there.
How dare you? Look, Cammy's song, Kai. You're gonna get it now.
Oh my god, please don't do this.
Reflection's only part of me. Why do I take it so seriously? I gotta get up on my feet and check it underneath. It's not about the shape or size.